All right. So we've already learned how to do x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay? I'm going to teach a technique when you have an a in front, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. So first thing you want to do is check for common factors. So if I give a problem like 2x squared plus 5x plus 2, I need to check and see if these are common, have any common factors in them. If they don't, then I can move on. If they do, I need to pull it out, factor it out, like we would say maybe the reverse distributive property. So that one doesn't have it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the x and put a times c at the top and b at the bottom. So make the x, a times c is 4, and b at the bottom. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put, find the factors of 4 that add up to 5, okay? Which is how we did the other time. So far, the big difference is you have to multiply the first number and the last number. So the factors of 4 that add up to 5 are 4 and 1. Here's the next part of this technique that's different. You must put ax squared, or ax, at the front of both parens or binomials. So I'm going to put 2x at the front of both, which is different than what we did before. Before we just did an x. Then I'm going to do what I did before and put the factors here. And then because this is a plus, both signs will be the same, and both signs will be positive because of the one in front of the 5. Now there's one more critical step. I'm going to write it right here. Step 5. If there are common factors, you need to eliminate them. In each of the binomials, eliminate. So there's no common factor in this binomial, but what the common factor in the first binomial is 2, so I'm going to eliminate it. So my answer is going to be x plus 2 and 2x plus 1. This is my final answer.